particularly studies which are pertain to Oxford's AstraZeneca vaccine and Pfizer vaccine. In these studies have shown that particularly the antibodies they start declining after a period of 6 months, and gradually they come down by 10 months or so. So then these studies have also seen that if you give a booster shot, then definitely it has a huge boost on the antibody levels to the tune of about 3 times more. So that's why if we look from a public health perspective, that and from the perspective of people who are more vulnerable like elderly and all, so in them this will be a useful strategy. But some of the countries like Israel have already started giving boosters to their population because they had already vaccinated huge chunk of their population, because they had started their vaccination program in a very robust manner. Now even Pfizer has sought approval from US government also, where they are also going to give booster vaccines, and both Moderna as well as Pfizer vaccines will be given booster vaccines. So if the we have given 2 primary doses and breakthrough infections are still very high, that means 14 days after getting 2 doses of vaccine. That is one thing which makes it more important. But another part is that we really have to critically look at these vaccines now in terms of antibody levels. And if we are looking at antibody levels declining, either we have to think of strategy like either we make it 3 primary doses, or we need to give a booster, or we can consider giving a fractional dose of vaccine. But as of now, what is being thought is to give booster dose of vaccine, but one is to decide what is going to be the gap in the booster dose.
So you mean to say there should be a relook on the on the decision to give vaccine, whether 2 dose vaccine, whether there will be added additional booster with that?
Yes, definitely. I said there can be 3 strategies. Either one can have 3 primary doses with the gap to be decided, or we can have 2 primary doses along with the booster vaccine. Third part is in countries like ours, where there is a huge population, one can definitely do a research on the fractional dose of vaccine also. That means we give fractional dose, or we reduce the quantity of the vaccine dose and give it over a period of time in terms of 3 doses and all. So that becomes more useful in terms of basically that means we are giving lesser amount of dose but at more frequent intervals, like 3 doses and all. But coming back to your original question of booster dose of vaccine, so booster dose of vaccine basically now is being observed that it needs to be given, and countries have already started giving the vaccine, and we also need to look in a country like India. But it is so far, you see, in Indian context, our whole concern is that we must give 2 at least primary doses, then we may think of the booster part of now. As of now also we feel that the vaccines are still working against the variants also in Indian context, and once we have immunized a large chunk of our population, then we may think of the booster. I have always been maintaining that natural infection provides you the best immunity, for which you don't require any vaccination. But particularly when we have gone ahead with such a big vaccination program, and we see that we have now seen that antibody levels are declining, and we need a booster. But then we need to think like whether ultimately like we may have to give booster every year. That may be a possibility. As of now, the whole mystery of the virus is unfolding gradually, so we have to maintain a careful watch on the virus itself. Until that time, what is my advice to the people is that even you take 2 doses, you maintain COVID appropriate behavior. That is the best thing. That means you wear mask, you maintain social distancing. That is the best thing, for developing countries like India, and even outside also. Because you see, one thing which is most important and not to be forgotten is that after taking certain doses of vaccine as per requirement or as per the requisition by the company, people think that we are protected, and it is now being observed that it is a false sense of security. So one must maintain a COVID appropriate behavior till basically the virus has gone out of our lives,